Hi friends, today I would love to share with you this ultrasonic humidifier. This is the solution for dry air. It works very straightforward, you guys. You have two different ways of controlling the different settings. One of them is by the smart adjustment button selection on the display right here in the front, or you can use this wireless remote control. So let's go ahead and power it on. So as you can see, it's a touch screen, and then you get a digital display of an LCD display up here with all of the different functions. Now you guys, this water tank has a capacity of 5.5 liters. You just fill it up all the way to the top. And by the way, as soon as you run out of water, this is gonna prompt a warning saying that you have a shortage of water, which is really nice. Now, the nozzle up here from where the humid comes out, the mist, you can rotate it in 360 degrees so you can best orient the mist the way you like it. Now you guys, this great product comes with 3 different mist levels that you can change with the button called mist level. You have 0, which is no mist, low, medium, and high. Also, you guys, this great product comes with timers. So you have the option of setting up to 1 hour all the way to 8 hours. It also has intelligent sterilization, which I found really great. So when you turn on the button called sterilize, what it does is to light up a UV light. That way, guys, we can kill any microorganisms in the environment. Simply great, you guys. And last but not least, guys, this has night lights as well of beautiful 7 colors. Well, you won't be able to tell right now because the light is on, but you have 7 different colors of beautiful displays so you can turn it on during the nighttime. It's really a great product. And I forgot to mention, we have another option called Humidistat, and that is basically for you to set up a fixed humidification that you want to have. So overall, a really great product, very easy to use, and I highly recommend it. I hope you will enjoy it, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.